In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $9,200 with Fiverr affiliate marketing business just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. I will share with you how you can find people who are interested to buy those services from your affiliate link and so much more, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free, okay? So this is my dashboard affiliate account and I made this commission in the month of April, from the first day of April until the day 15 of April, okay? I made $9,200, okay? So anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. You have just to use your email address. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your homepage. Scroll down here, go to community and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. So what you will do next, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. So just click over here on join now. And here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country over here and choose your language, okay, over here. Then choose your if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay, with Fiverr affiliates. Super easy, guys. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission, okay? So I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook. So go back to your Fiverr homepage like this and click on the search and search for Shopify store, okay? Search for Shopify store like this. And I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So let's choose one of those sellers. Let's see if we can find a good one. So this one is really looking good, but let me see if we can find like this one, top rated seller by dropshipping e-commerce store. I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service, okay? You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has a lot of reviews, okay, as you can see over here, and a lot of orders in queue. People are buying this service, guys, okay? A lot of people are buying this service, okay? So it's working, okay? And I will show you guys how we can find those buyers who will buy this service from your affiliate link, okay? So first, copy this seller profile link like this. Copy the seller profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have your dashboard. You have marketing tools. You have a report, payments, and so on. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link. Put this seller profile link here. Click on save, okay? Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. You guys all have Facebook accounts, okay? So it's super easy. Just go back to your Facebook homepage like this. Click on the search for Shopify, okay? Search for Shopify. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups, okay? click on groups. Here you go. You will find a lot of Shopify groups on Facebook that you have to join. Okay, so make sure to join all those groups. Then let's check this group, for example, Shopify dropshipping. Let's check this one. Just click on the group that you want to check, and here you go. You will be directly in this home page. Scroll down, and if we scroll down, we can find some people who are searching for Shopify store. I need professional Shopify, like this one, searching for a professional Shopify store. Maybe let's scroll down, we can find good. Okay, here you go. Here is another person. I need Shopify store. If we scroll down, we can find more people. Okay, here is another person. I need someone to help me with my store. Okay, Shopify store. Okay, here is another person. I need Shopify expert to help me design my store. Okay, so what you will do, you will talk with this person. Okay, click on his name. So for example, like this, I will click on his name. Okay, and you will be directly in his Facebook page. This person, let me show you. This person is looking for Shopify store. I will click over here on message, and they will send a friendly and professional message to this person. So to create a professional and friendly message, I will use AI. Okay, go to ChatGPT. Okay, let me show you. Just go to ChatGPT. I will delete this one. I'm already using ChatGPT to create this message and to help me promote my affiliate links. So you should use AI. Okay, so just go to Google, like I said, search for ChatGPT. This will be your home page. It's for free. You can use free version. Click over here on message and put this message. Okay, create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy Shopify. I will delete this, to buy. Okay, Shopify store service from my affiliate link. I will click over here, and here you go. ChatGPT will create a friendly and a professional message that you can send to those people. Okay, here you go. Let me see. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Are you looking to take your business to the next level with an online store but feeling overwhelmed by? It's really good. Okay, I have been considering Shopify to launch your dream store. Look no further. Shopify offers are great. It's good message, guys. Okay, it's already good. So what you will do, just copy. Okay, copy this message. Go back to Facebook, to this person who is looking for logo Shopify store designer. Put this message here, like this, and they will delete this part. Okay, like this, and they will delete there. Okay, and they will delete this one, like this. Okay, scroll down, and you have here a part that you should, by using, okay, you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, here. Okay, and here you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, like this, and I will put my affiliate link here. So what you will do next, just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, so I already, like I said, guys, in my videos, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. So I have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. So for you, you can't see this one, but you should have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, it's almost the same. And this affiliate link is too much long, so I need to make it short. You can, guys, go to Google and you can search for this website if you want to make your affiliate link short. It's not important, but for me, I love to make it short. Okay, put your affiliate link here. You can click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be a short link. Okay, then you can go, and here you go, copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Facebook, and they will put my affiliate link here. like this. It's super easy. And here you go. Click on send and your message will be sent to this person who is looking for a Shopify store, to create Shopify store. Your message will be sent like this. Okay, this is your affiliate link, this is your message, a good and professional friendly message. Okay, and here you go. If this person is still looking for how to create Shopify store, he will check your message, click on your affiliate link, for example like this. He will be directly to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission, and that's it guys. So you just need to learn how we can convince those people to buy this service from your affiliate link. So it's the business model is working, it's very clear, it's just you. So if you can't get commission like this, the problem is you. Okay, it's not the business model. The business model is working guys, and a lot of people are making a lot of commission with this method. Okay, if you can't earn commission, then you have to learn the skills of selling. You need to go learn how you can sell. Go watch YouTube videos how to sell, get more knowledge, more information, and then then you can come back and try and talk. Try to how you learn. You need to learn how you can talk with your customers. Okay, those people are searching for someone to make Shopify store for them. Okay, I need Shopify expert. This one is looking like, for example, like this one, looking for Shopify expert to make his store, to design his stores. On Fiverr, we have a lot of sellers who are providing this service. Those sellers has a good experience, they have a lot of reviews, they know exactly how to do it. So here sellers, you have sellers who are providing this service, and in this on Facebook groups, you have customers who are searching for those services. So it's just like you need to connect those people, sellers, with buyers, and you will earn commission, and that's it. That's the method that I do to earn commission. And if you scroll down, I need an expert to help me redesign my store. Here is another person searching for someone to redesign his store. If we scroll down, looking for a person to handle. Okay, this one is looking for person. But if you can scroll down, if you go even, here is another person, need an expert to help me redesign my store. This person searching for someone, and so on. And like I said, make sure to join all those groups. You can find a lot of groups here. Let me see this one. Let's check this one. Let's scroll down. You should find a lot of people here who are searching for services related to Shopify. Okay, go to Fiverr, search for those services, send a professional and good message to those persons, and you will earn commission, and that's it. This is the method that I do guys to make a lot of commission from those Facebook groups. Okay, I just search for people who are searching for services on Facebook group. I go to Fiverr, I search for services related to what those people are searching for. I send a good and friendly message to this person. I know exactly how to talk with my customers, how to convince them to buy those services from my affiliate link, and that's it. And also I'm working guys on a course that will be launched in next few days that will cover everything from scratch. Okay, so if you are interested to make money on affiliate marketing, just please comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will try to make this course done very soon for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I will try to answer all your questions guys.